120-hour professional TEFL program. So we study first the content of the Module 1 because there are some sample questions that we can use as a guide to answer the test questions. The teacher tic-tac-toe game should include answers to questions about the teacher. The answer is true. A good way to deal with latecomers is to ask other students to explain the activity and what they've done so far. Feedback should always be fair, focused, and constructive. Icebreakers are useful for take all that apply, making the students feel at ease, building a rapport with the class, and encouraging interaction. What follow-up would be appropriate to this? Find someone who has been to China. Find out when they went and who with. When giving instructions, it is important to take all that apply. Use visuals, set time limits, and grade your language.